welcome back for another must-have recipe in NATI'S Vegan Kitchen. If this is your first time joining us at NATI'S Vegan Kitchen, well, let me tell you what you're here for. You're here for some tasty, easy, delicious, super flavorful, most of the time healthy, as I like to say, vegan recipes. So I want to give a quick thank you to all of my current subscribers. I'm really excited. If you can't tell, my face hurts from smiling so hard. It's only been a couple months and it's been growing, and I'm really excited for it to see, what happens, and I really hope that if you're not part of the community yet, well, all you have to do is just click down below on that red subscribe box, and there's a little bell next to it. If you click there, you'll be sure to get a notification anytime a new recipe video comes out. So if you're new to YouTube, it's totally free. It's just basically a little subscription, so it tells you when the new recipes are out. Okay, so it's Thanksgiving, and this video is part of the series of all different kinds of sweet and savory Thanksgiving dishes. And for this video, I thought we would explore a stuffed butternut squash, which is pretty popular amongst the holiday Thanksgiving and other holiday seasons. So I thought that I would make my own little spin on it. And this one's full. It's so full of proteins. There's quinoa, which has a lot of protein. There's lentils, which have a lot of protein. I even put some pecans in there, or pecans, whatever you prefer. And there's cranberries, of course, because it's Thanksgiving season. So I think this was one of my most favorite, most fanciest looking recipes. So I really hope you guys enjoy this one. Also, if you're trying to cook a dinner for somebody, let's say for a date for your special guy or gal, I would highly recommend this recipe because it looks so fancy and it's pretty simple to make. I mean, it's oven and you cook the other stuff while it's in the oven, and then you just put it on top and it looks so nice. So I would really recommend it if you're trying to impress somebody. Alright, so let's get to cooking some stuffed butternut squash. Let's go! So, does it look as fancy as I promised? Yeah. Okay, so I think this is a great main dish for a vegan Thanksgiving. It's really filling with the butternut squash. It's got a lot of protein. I mean, it's got everything really that you need. So I wouldn't maybe necessarily eat like sweet potato mash. I would definitely still eat the macaroni and cheese because I love that. If you haven't seen my macaroni and cheese recipe, be sure to check that out. It's got, let me just tell you, maple cinnamon glazed tempeh. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Yeah, make sure you find that video. Actually, I'm gonna link it down below just to make it easier for you. But so I think it's a great main dish. If you're hosting a small Thanksgiving, I think it's perfect for that. And if you want to make it as part of some of the dishes, you know, just cut it in like slices. You know, if the butternut squash is this way, then just cut it like that. I would suggest. It looks really nice because you'll see the butternut squash and you'll see the filling like that. So it looks really good. So either way, whatever you choose, let me know. Okay, so if there's anything else that you guys would like me to explore, if you have any favorite traditional Thanksgiving dishes and you want me to veganize, just comment down below, let me know. I would love to get other ideas from you guys. I know there's a lot of you out there already, so let me know what you think, yeah? Okay, see you guys next time!